Hello everyone. So today I am going to be showing you some photos that I shot with Kodak Tri-X 400. So I bought a roll for my Nikon F4, so just a 35mm roll, and then I also bought one of the disposable Kodak cameras that had Tri-X 400 in it. They just released this, I think, in the past year. So I just wanted to see how a disposable camera would compare to a full film camera with interchangeable lenses. So to match as close as I could, I put the 20mm on the Nikon F4, and that is wider than what the disposable camera is, but other than that I only had an 85, so I figured I'd go wider. I shot everything on the Nikon at f8 to match as close as possible to the disposable camera. And so from there, I just tried to meter for overall exposure in the middle to see if I can match up these images, at least exposure wise, and just see what the quality difference would be. I think the quality difference is probably going to be obvious for most photographers, if not all photographers. But I would say the disposable camera did surprise me in many areas. The only downside is it's soft on the edges on the disposable camera, but that's a given considering it's sometimes a plastic lens that they're throwing in there, and you don't have control over the exposure, your shutter speed, so sometimes the image is going to come out really dark, like you'll see in one of them in the hallway. Other than that, I thought it did really well. I've shot two of these disposable cameras now. One was an Ilford and this Kodak one, and I think they're a really good option if you don't really want to carry a big camera around and you might be going somewhere where disposable might just be easier just to kind of get some snapshots of the day. I enjoyed using it. I enjoyed doing a little side-by-side comparison. But with all that said, enjoy. So I hope you all liked that short little video with the photos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have a comparison that you would like me to do, put that in the comments as well, and I'll see what I can do. With winter coming up, might be a little early to talk about it. I'm going to be shooting mostly black and white for film after the fall colors die off. And then stay tuned for my live streams. Sports are back in session here for the college. So I've done 2 live streams, one over cross-country photos and one over volleyball photos. The next one will probably be football. We have a game in a couple weeks at home, so I'll be covering that, and I'll probably do a live stream as I go through those images. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that bell notification down below. Make sure you're subscribed so you get notifications for when I go live or upload. And with that said, thank you. See you next time.